Alright guys, so I got my friend her baby stuff. So let's go. Alright guys, so this is what I got my friend for her baby shower. I got her the cutest outfits. Let me show you. Guys, so I got her this cute little Mickey outfit. I thought it was just so freaking cute, and winter's coming up here in Vegas, so I was like, yeah, this just is perfect. And then I got her this 3-piece onesie, I believe this is, and it's got koalas, so hopefully every time she puts this on she thinks of me. And I went on her baby registry and this is what she wanted, so I got her that one and this one as well. But I got it for her, so yeah. And this was on the baby registry, and so was the diapers. They didn't have the 1 and 2 that she asked for, so I'm like, I'm hoping somebody else would get her the 1 and 2, and then I got the 3. So I know that diapers is a huge must. So I thought, yeah, let me get her the 3. Hey guys, so I'm leaving to my friend's baby shower right now. It starts at 11:30, but it's a little bit away from where I live, so I'm excited. I'm gonna go, and then later on me and Richard are gonna go to Crate and Barrel, and I've been literally wanting massive plates to eat. I'm only just gonna get 2, one for me and one for Richard, but I've been wanting to get just really nice plates, and yeah, so it's gonna be a fun day. All right guys, so I just made it to the restaurant. It's Via Brasil Steakhouse. I'm so excited now. Steakhouse, that makes me excited. But I'm here. It looks like I'm a little early. I don't want to go like straight away because I just feel like I'll be the only one there. I took my bag out yesterday from the storage place we went, and this is the bag that I'm taking. It's so freaking cute, you guys. But yeah, and then after, me and Richard are gonna go to Crate and Barrel, so I'm excited for that. Let's go. This is very nice. Yeah, like so, like yeah, like I definitely want like a ridge like that. No, something like this, because if we like get milanesas or something, I feel like this is more soupy, but that's nice. Look how nice this one is. Ooh. Oh my god, look at this frosted glass, you guys. That's so pretty. Alright guys, so we got those. Freaking love them. Those are nice. Alright guys, I got my stuff. I cannot wait to go home and show it to you guys. I think what I picked out was amazing. I love it. It matches us. Richard got himself some metal, right? No, stainless steel chopsticks. So yeah. Can't wait to show you the cups we got. And guys, when we were checking out, I made Richard go red because I was like, she's like, oh, all this for you? And I was like, yeah. I was like, it's we just got married. I was like, it's his gift to me. And he got super red, and we was trying not to laugh. And I was just like, obviously we've been married for like 12 years now, so it was just funny. It's an inside joke, so that's why I said it. Love going to Crate and Barrel. Surprisingly, their prices are okay. Like, it's not that bad. I thought they were going to be like super expensive, but there were a lot of discounted like dishes and stuff, so I feel like we got pretty good. Just cannot wait to show it to you. Guys, I'm so excited to get what I ordered. Richard got a chamoy one that looks so delicious. Alright guys, wait, Ozzy, wait. We got him some new toys for his birthday. And he's so happy. Wait, Ozzy, wait. Okay, ready? Wait, sit. Ozzy. Hey, Ozzy, come on, sit. Wait, speak. Wait, no, speak. Good boy, get your toys. Get your toys. Happy birthday, boy. Look how many toys you got. Look how many toys. Huh? You're so happy. Uh-huh. Hey, that's Mike Wazowski. Look, hip hop. So I'm here at Hobby Lobby. I want to see what they like, the decorations that they have right now. Next month is October. Like, what the hell? It happened like this. So let's go check them out and see what's new at Hobby Lobby. I love the trees here, you guys. I might get some later on, but I need to get plants, or like these kind of plants. They're so pretty. Oh my god, you guys, look how pretty these things are. I don't know how much they are going for. If I can see the price. So one of these is $16. Oh, it's so pretty. It's just like all fall. That is so pretty. Ooh. I love these flowers too. Look how cute everything is. Oh, I'm so excited. Christmas. Ooh. Some of the Grinchmas stuff. That is so cute. You guys, they are having like 50% off all the decorations. Look how cute. So cute. My favorite holiday is Christmas, and I absolutely love it. Cannot wait. Oh my god, you guys, look at this whole wall. It's like, just look how cute this is. Oh my god, what a little present. So cute. Okay, so you have to go to Hobby Lobby. Oh my goodness, you guys, they were the cutest things that were there for Christmas and stuff. So I ended up getting this bouquet. It was 50% off, so it was like $14, and I paid $9.09. So I was like, these are massive. Like, these are huge. So I was like, I have to get it. But they had the cutest decorations for Christmas, you guys. I love the pastel like collection. So I was like, I literally filmed everything for me. So I, like, once we move hopefully to our new place, we yeah, I go back to Hobby Lobby and I get a few things because that was so freaking cute. Okay, Ulta, let's go.
Leave it on low though.
Leave it on low?
On low, yeah.
Okay, you're gonna have to put the aceite there because it's on your side. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I wanted to show you what I got at Ulta. I ended up getting this lip stain here, and then this brow gel by Got2b. So it's glue eyebrow gel. This one looks so pretty. I feel like because it's heading into like autumn, I feel like, you know what? Let's try this. And then I stopped at Walmart, got some groceries. So now I'm just cooking because I'm so hungry and I'm shaky because of the coffee. Don't like that. Also, you guys, I wanted to show you what I got at Crate and Barrel because I freaking love what I got. All right, so we got these green glasses. I thought they were so freaking cute. We only got two because obviously there's just me and Richard. So just got these two glasses. And then I got these kind of like breakfast bowls. Or like fruit bowls, you can say. I don't know. I like to call them breakfast bowls because you can put whatever you want, like yogurts with fruits and whatnot. And also, I've been wanting like a bigger plate for us to eat like our dinner. And I got this one. Look how pretty. She's massive. Just massive. It's stone, so I was pretty surprised, but it's stone. And we got 2. These were the plates that we would use before, so you can tell how massive it is. And all of this cost us $49. So I was alright with it, you know, because I got what I wanted. I think they're super cute. That's what we got.